Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Sajid Alam. Welcome back to Physics Mathematics Hub. Today we are going to solve the first numerical question from 10th class physics textbook, Unit 11, Sound. Let's solve out. Here is the problem. The sound intensity 3 meter from a jackhammer is 8.20 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 watt per meter square. What is the sound intensity level in decibels? Use the usual reference level of intensity I0, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12 watt per meter square. We are given that intensity of sound denoted by I is equal to 8.20 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 watt per meter square. Usual reference level, which is the faintest audible sound denoted by I0, is equal to 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12 watt per meter square. We have to find the intensity level denoted by beta. Solution: we know that the intensity level is equal to 10 log of I divided by I0 decibel. Putting values, we get beta is equal to 10 log of 8.20 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 divided by 1 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12 decibels. Shifting 10 to the power minus 12 from denominator to the numerator, we get beta is equal to 10 log of 8.20 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2 multiplied by 10 to the power 12 decibels. Further simplification gives beta is equal to 10 log of 8.20 multiplied by 10 to the power 10 decibels. Beta is equal to 10 log of 8.20 multiplied by 10 to the power 10 decibels. Here we use the formula that log of A multiplied by B is equal to log of A plus log of B. So we get beta is equal to 10 log of 8.20 plus log of 10 to the power 10 decibel. We use log of 10 to the power 10 is equal to 10 log of 10. So we get beta is equal to 10 into log of 8.20 is equal to 0.9138 plus 10 log of 10 decibel. Beta is equal to 10 0.9138 plus 10 is log of 10 with base 10 is equal to 1. So we get 10. Beta is equal to 10 multiplied by 10.9138 into decibel. This implies that beta is equal to 109.138 decibels. Rounding the number, we get beta is equal to 109.14 decibel. Conclusion: the sound intensity level of a jackhammer at 3 meter is approximately 109.14 decibel. That is incredibly loud. Just to put this into perspective, Sound above 85 decibel can be harmful to your hearing. If you found the calculation interesting and want to learn more about sound, physics, or mathematics, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Physics Mathematics Hub. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.